Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark, and in this video we're going to show you how you can re-enable the automatic course progression in your LearnDash courses. So just to explain here, LearnDash recently added some new accessibility features to make their courses more compliant. And what you'll find is that now when you mark a course as complete, for example, or maybe a topic, it stays on the page and says, it has a message at the top, great job, you've completed the topic, keep going. What used to happen is that when you click mark complete, it would go on to the next page automatically. So what LearnDash is saying is that this is now more accessible. You get feedback on the action that you've taken, and it's not implied that you've just moved on to the next section. So, you can continue this way, but there is an extra click involved. And some people might find that a bit clunky, just because you'd expect to be able to go to the next page. And if you've had your LearnDash course live for a while, it's suddenly a change to the way things work. So what LearnDash have done is added a way you can revert back to that older way of working. And you can do this by going to LearnDash LMS, Courses, and then Settings. And then if you scroll down here to Automatic Progression, you can switch that back on. So it says, automatically move the users onto the next step when they complete a lesson or topic. So it skips that message at the top saying step completed. And what they are warning here is that enabling this setting does not meet accessibility standards. Now, it's not clear what accessibility standards they're referring to here, what country they're applied in, or what specific issue was fixed by adding or removing the automatic progression. But be aware and look at what the standards are in your country or region, and see if re-enabling this is something that you actually want to do. But we'll see that now I have re-enabled automatic course progression. If I go back to that course, and if I now go to a page that's got a mark complete, I'll just watch this video here just to make that appear. What we'll find is that rather than it staying on the page and showing that message at the top, it just continues on to the next lesson or topic in the flow of the course. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give the video a like. And if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.